This is the French version of strawberries and cream. It's called Strawberries Romanoff, Fraises Romanoff, and the story involves either Escoffier, Russian royalty, or a Hollywood con artist. Strawberry season is one of my favourite times of year. When the strawberries are this sweet, you hardly need to do anything with them. Well, almost. For Strawberries Romanoff, it's dead easy. You just need sweet strawberries, a small orange or half an orange, vanilla powder or extract, some orange liqueur, and chilled whipping cream. Chill your bowl now, but I'll leave you with the full recipe link below. Chop your straws into the squeezed orange with either Grand Marnier, Cointreau or Curaçao, not the blue version. And if your fruit are particularly acidic, add a little bit of sugar. Prefer with no alcohol, use a little orange blossom or zest. Then leave everything to chill while you prepare the cream. Well, I've got this beautifully chilled. Measure out your cream that's at least 30% fat, otherwise it won't thicken. I'm adding pure vanilla powder or extract as I just feel that really sweetens it naturally. Whip the cream with the vanilla, but don't overdo it. You don't want it turning back into butter again. For extra flavour, just add some of that juice into the cream. It's delicious. Now here's the fun part. Nobody seems really sure where the name Romanoff actually came from. One theory points to Escoffier himself. He included Fraises Romanoff in his famous Guide Culinaire and even recommends piping the vanilla Chantilly cream just like this with a star tip. Another goes back even further to Carême, France's first celebrity chef. He cooked for Tsar Alexander I of Russia, so some historians think the name reflects the long fascination between French haute cuisine and the Russian imperial court. But my favourite story has to be the Hollywood one. Michael Romanoff wasn't really a Russian prince at all. He reinvented himself, opened a glamorous Beverly Hills restaurant and served Hollywood's biggest stars. Some believe he helped make Strawberries Romanoff famous in America. So, what do you think? Honestly, I don't think we'll ever know, but it's a delicious story either way, isn't it? I love that piped cream. It just makes it look so chic and good enough maybe for Wimbledon. Strawberries and cream after a summer holiday in France. If you want just the same kind of idea without the cream, it's called Strawberries à la Maltaise, and I'll leave you the recipe up here for you to choose from. Take care.